To Survey Engineering Laboratory. Today in Survey Engineering Laboratory we are going to study about the plane table survey engineering laboratory. Today in Survey Engineering Laboratory we are going to study a graphical method of survey in which field observation and plotting table surveying is a graphical method of survey and which field observation and plotting are here simultaneously used. This is the most suitable method for plane table. Now here the equipment used are plane table. There are various equipments used in the plane table surveying like plane table, tripod stand, and this plane table is placed on the tripod stand. With the help of this screw we can tighten the plane table on tripod stand. Now next accessory is the alligator. Alligator is used for establishing line of sight. There are two types of alligator, simple alligator and telescopic alligator. In simple alligator, eye vane is provided with a narrow slit, while object vane is open and carries a horsehair. Both of the slits thus provide a definite line of sight, which can be made to pass through the object to be sighted. Now, the next accessory is through compass. It is used to draw a line of a magnetic meridian on the paper. When the freely suspended needle shows a 0 degree at one end, a line is drawn on the drawing paper which represents the magnetic north. Now next accessory is the U-fork with the plumb bob. This is used to center the table on the station. Next accessory is the spirit level. This shows whether the table is leveled or not. The other accessories required are pins, drawing paper and pencil. Now we can fix the paper on the drawing table with the help of pins. And what is the principle? Are four methods of plane tabling: radiation, intersection, traversing and resection. Now we will go for a temporary adjustment of a plane table. Firstly, by fixing the plane table on the tripod stand. Now next step is leveling the plane table. The table is leveled by placing the spirit level at different corners and various positions on the table. The bubble is brought to the center of its run at every position of the table by adjusting the legs. Now next step is centering the table. The drawing sheet is fixed on the table. A suitable point P is selected on the sheet to represent the station P on the ground. A pin is then fixed on the selected point. The upper pointed end of the U-fork is made to contact with the station pin, and the plumb bob, which is suspended from the hook at the lower end, is brought just over the station P by turning the table clock and anti-clockwise or slightly adjusting the legs. This operation is called centering. The table is then clamped. Care should be taken not to disturb the leveling. Now next step is marking the north line. The through compass is placed on the right hand top corner with its north hand approximately towards the north. Then the compass is turned clockwise and anti-clockwise so the needle coincides exactly with the 00 mark. Now a line representing a north line is drawn through the edge of the compass. It should be ensured that the table is not turned. Now how to start the radiation method. Now we consider this room as a closed traverse with the four corners of this room as a traverse points. Now we will place the alligator along through the point P, and now by sighting through the eyepiece we will sight the corner A, that is the point A, through the object vane. In a similar way, we will sight the other three corners of the traverse. Now next step is to measure or to take the actual distance from the point P, that is the center of the table, to the corner of the room, that is the point A. Similarly, we are going to measure all other 3 points of the room. Now, as we have already measured distances of all the corner points, now we will choose a suitable scale for marking the line on sheet. Here we have considered 2 cm is equal to 1 meter. Now we will mark the corner points on the radial line according to the distance measured, and then we will join the point to close the traverse with the help of scale. This is the radiation method of plane tabling.